Do Jesus love me? Jesus love me.
Green.
We'll do colors later.
Colors.
Okay, do Jesus love me?
Colors.
Sing Jesus love me.
Colors.
We'll do colors later. You ready to be the star of the video? Okay. Say hi. Say okay. What color? What color?
White.
Gray. Very good. Gray. Gray. Okay.
Don't touch the dog.
What color?
Uh,
What color? What color? Say green. 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 Let me see it.
Take it green.
Green. Take it green. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. What color? What color? Red.
Apple.
No, red. Red.
Apple.
Say red. Red. Say red.
Red.
Red. Thank you. This is red. Okay, we're going to learn our colors.
Look at the boy.
What color? Pink.
Oh,
Pink.
pink.
Pink. Thank you. Let me see pink.
Thank you.
Pink. Okay. All right, stay there if you can. What color?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Orange. Orange. Let me see it.
Orange.
Orange.
Ah,
Okay, good.
Orange.
All right, let's do this one.
Red.
What color? What color? Blue.
Blue.
Blue. Blue.
Don't touch it. Orange.
Blue. Don't touch it, Gio. Blue. Blue. Okay, you ready? All right. What color? What color?
Red.
Brown. Let me see it.
Brown.
Brown. That's brown. Brown. Thank you. Okay. What color?
Gray.
Yellow. It's not gray. Try again. Yellow. Say yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow.
Like arrow.
Yellow. Thank you. All right. And what color? Black. Black. Say black.
Look at the water.
It's black. Say black. Don't rip the paper off. Say black. 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 It's black. Say black.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye,
Say goodbye. Thank you.
okay.
Tell Mama, what is it that you have? A phone? What does the phone say? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. What does the phone say? Say hello. What does the phone do? Do you say hello?
Okay.
All right, do it. Say hello. Say hello.
Hi.
Say, I'm going to tell you animals.
Emma.
Animals. What's this animal?
Puppy.
Oh, show us the puppy. All right, the next animal. It is...
Monkey.
Show me it. Monkey. Turn it around like this. Go. Monkey. Monkey. Okay, what sound does it go? Can you go e-e-e-e-e-e? E-e-e-e. All right, go like this. Go e-e-e-e-e-e. E-e-e-e-e-e. Okay, trade me. What does the monkey do? What sound does it make? Now what's this one? This is a, what is it? Give me this. Give me the monkey back. Okay, what does this one do? What is it? What is it?
Puppy.
And what does it say?
Doggy.
What does it say?
Oh,
Arf,
oh,
arf.
oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Yes, very good. Sit back down. Arf, 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 arf. What is this one? What is it?
Bees.
It's an owl. Owl. An owl. What does the owl say? It goes, woo, 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 woo. Say, ooh, ooh. This is a fishy. It's a fish. What does the fish say? What does the fish? Bloop, 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 bloop. This is a fish say. What's this one? A rabbit. A bunny. Bunny. Can you say bunny? Say bunny, Betha. Say bunny. It's a bunny. Say bunny. Say bunny. Try it again. It's a bunny. 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 Jesus loves me. Now tell me. What is it? Sit down. Sit down. What is this one? A mousey. A mousey. And what does a mousey say?
Walk, walk, walk. Walk.
He said squeak, 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 squeak.
Walk,
It's a mousey.
walk, walk, walk.
Alright, sit down with the mousey.
Walk,
Sit back.
walk, 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 walk. Walk,
Say
walk,
squeak,
walk,
squeak,
walk,
squeak,
walk,
squeak.
walk.
Okay, sit down. Okay. What's this one?
Lamb,
What is it?
lamb.
It's a lamb. Very good. A lamb. What does the lamb say? Ba, ba, ba.
Ba, ba, ba.
Show me your lamb. Okay, very cute. Alright, sit down.
Thank you.
What is it? Say a kitty. Meow. Say meow.
Kitty.
Meow. Say meow. What does the kitty say? What does the kitty say? What does he say? Meow. More. What is this one? What is it? A puppy. What does it say? Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof.
Bye.
It bites. Yeah, puppies bite. We don't like that. What does it say?
Go take a bus. Yucky.
What does it say? Woof,
Bus.
woof, woof, woof. What does it say? Woof, 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 woof. No, kitty says meow. What does the puppy say?
See us. See us.
Jesus loves me, yes. You want to sing to the puppy? Sing joy, 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 joy down in my heart. Sing puppy. Say puppy. Got the All right, and what is another song that you can sing to the puppy? Think about it.
What?
Oh, you're done with the puppy. Okay. Do you want to sing to a birdie? You want to sing to a chicken? Sing. Follow me. I will make you fishers and men, fishers and men. Sing that one. To the birdie.
Ah.
What are you going to sing to the birdie?
Walk, 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 walk.
Yeah, that's what birdies do. They walk, walk, walk. Okay. You can sing Swing Low, Sweet Chariot to the birdie. What else do you want to sing? Hello, Geo. You are trying to be the star of Bethel's videos. All right, Bethel.
Take it.
Oh, take it. Okay, sit down. And do you want to try the kitty again? Try to sing to that? Sing to the kitty.
Take it away.
You don't want the kitty. You want a monkey? Sit down. Sit down.
Take it away.
Oh, you're done with every animal. You're done with them all. Oh, I know who you should sing to. A baby. Sing to your baby. Sing Jesus, I me this I know. Sing to your baby.
Doing.
Oh, what does the baby say? Say goodbye if you're ready to be done with your video. Say goodbye.